Hi there, students. Convivial, an adjective. Conviviality, the noun. And I guess the adverb convivially as well. You can also actually have a verb to convive, but this is very unusual and I wouldn't really suggest you use it. Okay, conviviality or convivial talks about having a good time with people, festivities, in, eating and drinking, yeah, a feast of entertainment. Okay, so I went to a very convivial dinner party last week. Um, During the celebrations, there was a very convivial atmosphere. Okay, so people were happy, they were sociable, they were enjoying good company. Yeah, and this is the idea of convivial. Convivial, something that's friendly, that makes you feel happy and very welcome. He was a most convivial host to us. Yeah, the pub has a really convivial atmosphere. This is a really convivial place to spend a holiday. Yeah, the conviviality makes it very attractive. Yeah, it talks about the atmosphere at an event. Yeah, so or of a person's character where they're cheerful, friendly, they're very affable, they're amiable, they're very congenial. This is another good word. They're agreeable. Okay, so she was a very convivial and laid back person. Okay, so convivial people are pleasant, they're relaxed. Yeah, it was a very convivial evening. It was friendly, it was lively, it was very upbeat. Yeah, conviviality, an uncountable noun. Sociability, very festive, very happy. Okay, so I've given all this, and this is the first thing that comes to people's minds when you use the word conviviality. However, I think conviviality goes further than that. I think conviviality is almost a social idea where everybody is free to do what they want, but within a reasonable frame. Yeah, this is the idea of uh, inclusion. Yeah, an inclusive society where everybody can be themselves and they don't have problems doing what they do. So it's got the idea of living together. And if you look at actually the origin of this, it comes from Latin, from convivum. Okay, con together and vivo to live. And actually, the word convivum in Latin is a feast. So it's got this idea of everybody living together in harmony. I think this idea of conviviality as well is maybe critical of the over consumerism there is in our society. And I think conviviality is part of degrowth or the degrowth movement. Um, it focuses on simple, joyful, pleasant living, the localization of products, by local, by what comes from the people around you. So it's very convivial. The whole society is looking after each other and interacting. But this is a much deeper idea. Okay, so convivial, very pleasant, very festive, particularly with eating and drinking. Yeah, or a person's character, very convivial. They're happy, they're amiable, they're very jovial, they're very positive, they're lively, friendly, hearty, yeah, fun loving. Yeah, and that's the idea. So, formality, convivial. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. It does sound a little bit literary, the Conviviality, maybe even a 6.5, although I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation, but it's got this little formal literary tang to it. So you use it anywhere, but when you're being informal, very pleasant, very evening, a very sociable evening, yeah, a very festive atmosphere. So there you go, Convivial. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Convivial, convivially, conviviality.